beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this hot milk cake that can be used for breakfast or tea time. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. In my blender, I'll be adding in 2 eggs, next I'll go in with my granulated sugar, vegetable oil, and I'm gonna blend together everything. And after blending, I'll transfer the mixture into my bowl. Next, I'll sieve in my flour, salt, baking powder, vanilla powder. You can go ahead and use the liquid vanilla, that'll be fine. So sifting the flour will make it very light and easy to work with. So I'm gonna mix everything together gently to combine them. Thank you everyone for always coming back to watch me. Thank you for subscribing, and if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscription button, it's free, okay? Next, in my small saucepan, I'll be adding in butter, milk, and I'll bring this to a simmer over a low heat. The mix has to be very hot. Next, I'll transfer the hot butter and milk into the cake batter. And I'm gonna mix everything together to combine. This was really easy to make, I tell you. It was really easy to make and it is beginner friendly. So we're gonna mix everything together to combine till there is no lump in it again, okay? So we'll need a very smooth batter here. Next, in my baking pan, I'm gonna place a parchment paper and I'll grease it with butter and flour. And this step is very important. This step will help the cake not to stick to the pan. Next, I'll pour in the cake batter into a lined and greased pan. And I'm going to tap the pan onto the work surface to remove any air bubbles. And I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven until it is done, or until a toothpick can pass through it and come out clean. And the result was amazing. It was amazing. Please, if you have not subscribed, let me come back again. If you have not subscribed, do hit that subscription button. It is free and you will not regret it here. We have amazing food content, food recipe, baking. Just check out the channel and you'll see what you love. Okay, the taste of this was so amazing. It was soft and very delicious. I'll definitely see you in my next one. So from me is bye.